Taking a solo road trip and camping trip can be a great way to experience the outdoors at your own pace and with limited distractions. So let's talk some tips on adventuring out solo. Number 1, plan out where you want to go. Using Roadtrippers is a great way to plan a fun route, read reviews on locations, and scope out a great place to camp. Campsites. I like to choose a place that's not too remote and it's not too public. I don't need to be super far away from civilization in case I do need it in an emergency, but I also don't need to be too public where maybe someone might be a little interested in crashing my party of one. I'm not saying be Bear Grylls right off the bat. Work your way up to it with confidence in yourself and your gear. Speaking of gear, you are going to need to be self-sufficient, so you need to familiarize yourself with your gear and how it works. This is not the time to buy a new camp stove and realize you've left some important pieces at home. Take some time and really get to know the items that you're taking with you. Another very important part of your gear for a solo road trip and camping trip is your vehicle. Make sure your noble steed is road ready. Including tire patch supplies, jumper cables, and a spare tire can make a huge difference, really road trip or not. Don't trust that you'll have cell service throughout your whole trip. Paper maps, printed directions, and at least familiarizing yourself with where you're headed can make a big difference. Before you hit the road solo, it's extra safe to share your plans with someone you trust, so at least they know your route, and if you can, check in along the way. And a road trip must create a solid playlist or podcast selection to enjoy your solo road trip. Roadtrippers is a great way to find fun stops along your way and enjoy your adventure. You've arrived and set up camp, and you're alone, so what do you do now? Well, this is the perfect time to explore the area, enjoy a quiet moment to yourself, build an epic campfire, or personally, I like to break out my inner Gordon Ramsay and cook a fun meal. A little meal preparation makes this really easy and can help reduce waste that can attract animals. One more small safety tip. As you're traveling solo, try not to post on social media in real time where you're staying. Maybe do it a day or two after. After all, you're out here to try and disconnect from these things, and this is your party of one. Nobody uninvited needs to crash it. Best thing about going solo is you get to do everything on your time. So tomorrow, when you're ready to head to your next campsite, you can pack everything up and move out on your schedule. There are some helpful links in the description to help you plan your next solo road and camping trip. My name is Alyssa, and this is my solo trip, so it's time for you to head out of my campsite. I will see you in the next one.